Hey everyone, Danny Greco here. I want to talk generally about mortgage rates and how they're at their lowest levels since late 2016. So if you have a mortgage loan that's been originated since that time, I'd strongly encourage you to consult with your mortgage professional and look at refinancing might be a good option for you. If you're a buyer, this is a great time to be in the market to look at affording a house. So we know that at the end of July, the Federal Reserve dropped the funding rate a quarter point, the first time they'd done so in roughly 10 years. Now, this doesn't have a direct impact that we talked about previously on mortgage rates. However, the mortgage market had taken this drop into consideration. So, for months prior, this move had been anticipated and mortgage rates had begun their decline. What happened though after the Fed announced that is what really sent mortgage rates down and tumbling, and that is they commented more pessimistically regarding the outlook of the economy, the further slowing of the economy. And then the nail in the coffin the next day, or roughly thereabouts, was when trade wars with China really picked up steam and new tariffs were announced. China retaliated with more tariffs of their own. The markets don't like that kind of uncertainty. And when there's uncertainty to that level, stock market and other equity markets are really going to suffer. And what investors are going to do is they're going to take the money out of those higher risk, higher reward type markets and shift them into the more safer bond markets. And that's why you saw, or anytime that happens, mortgage rates go down. So generally, the rule of thumb is when you see the stock markets fall, mortgage rates are going to fall and vice versa. And that's what we saw, and that's why mortgage levels are at the lowest levels they've been in almost 3 years. So again, don't take your word from me. Consult your mortgage professional to see if refinancing might be a great opportunity for you. And if you're a buyer out there, really use this time. This could not come at a better time in the market. It's July, it's August. These are always the slowest times of the year for Seattle real estate. Homes are sitting on the market longer. You've got that leverage to use on one hand. Now you've got lower rates on the other. You've got a perfect storm. Go out there and kick butt in finding a new home.